Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Friends, in this video I'll be talking to you about our rank 3 topper of UPSC examination 2020, Ankita Jain. Friends, this was Ankita's fourth attempt and her husband is also an IPS officer and even her sister has secured 21st rank. Let's have a look at Ankita's journey and how she managed to top in the examination in the fourth attempt. Alright. So Ankita Jain is currently posted at the Audit and Account Services in Mumbai. After securing a rank in the second attempt, even though she fell prey to COVID-19 just a month prior to the mains examination, she didn't stop and continued putting an effort to succeed in the examination. UPSC Topper 2020 Ankita Jain has cleared this exam and topped in her fourth attempt. Coming from a family of civil servants, she has made everyone proud and thanks them for their constant support. Her husband Abhinav Tyagi is an IPS officer in Maharashtra cadre and even her sister Vaishali has secured 21st rank. After being a part of such a family, Ankita knew the importance of hard work and dedication and that has helped her in topping the UPSC examination of this year. Friends, in order to clear the exam in this attempt, Ankita Jain focused on her weaknesses to improve her performance. She aspires to join the IAS and work towards the women and child development. If you also want to top the UPSC examination and clear the interview and practice mock interview, then you should definitely try Plutus IAS examination coaching. Friends, Plutus IAS provides great mock interview preparation which will make you fully ready for your IAS interview so that you can also go ahead and ace interview like these toppers. So definitely check out Plutus IAS once the website is www.plutusias.com. So let's discuss a bit about this coaching institution.
Let me tell you first that what Plutus IAS coaching provide their students. 1. Online classes with highly experienced faculty, weekly quiz, test series, study material, video lectures, daily newspaper, daily current affairs, strategy planning, and finally monthly magazine for current affairs. Friends, apart from this, there is specific features of digital coaching which is an important aspect in current scenario includes 1. Highly interactive teachers and sessions, meaning that you can interact with your teachers in a much better way in this coaching institute. Alright, let's move on to the second benefit of this institution when it comes to digital classes. Second, we can talk about instant doubt clearance. As in when students ask doubt, their doubt is cleared, and then they also provide you chat facility available. Classes can also be recorded and can be used for revision. Visual interaction with faculty can also be done easily and each student can hear voice of other student and portal as well. Alright, the mail ID includes info@plutusias.com and contact number is 8448440231.
So friends, this was the inspirational story of our rank 3 and overall women's rank 2 topper Ankita Jain. I hope you also got certain details and motivation to study, practice hard and ace the IAS UPSC examinations of coming year. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.